How to delete your MidJourney account. If you wish to delete your MidJourney account, it is very simple to do so. Now bear in mind, we do not have the power to delete our account ourselves. We have to get in touch with the customer agent from MidJourney. To do this, we have to request the deletion of our data. And to do that, first go to midjourney.com and make sure to log into the account that you wish to delete. Now just go to the My Account button from the bottom left and simply go to the option Manage Subscription. If you are seeing different type of option here, you can also directly go to this web address, which is midjourney.com/account. I repeat, midjourney.com/account. When you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom and you can see different topics. Look for a topic that says, how can I delete my account, and click on it. Then you can see it says, if you wish to delete all personal data associated with your MidJourney account, you can initiate this process here. So you have to click on this initiate this process right over here. And then you can see it says review account deletion. So it says deleting your account will permanently delete all of your images as well. But before you delete, one thing I recommend is that make sure you cancel your subscription first. And it also says you have 7 days to undo the deletion. So which means that if you just change your mind within 7 days after deletion, you have the power to restore your account. But after 7 days, even MidJourney themselves will not be able to review your account and restore it for you. So once you're confirmed about it, click on the review account deletion button and then just understand these terms and conditions. Select delete my account button over here, and once done, your account will be successfully deleted. You have 7 days to change your mind, and after that you will not be able to restore it. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.